What up, what up, what's up? Of course, it's me, your boy, Richie Rich, Consumer Appliance Report. Stop him for a second. Always appreciate you guys listening, man. Subscribing to the channel, Consumer Appliance Report. It's, again, me, your boy, Richie Rich. So now we're going to focus on the pricing for the GE front load washer. I know we mentioned before you can get it in a satin nickel. That's at certain stores, so it all depends. I think when we went to Best Buy, it was there. Even if you want to get the floor model as well. We described that you can get it in multiple colors if you want. You can actually get it in white as well. That's one of the other options that you can get it in. Or they call it, or satin nickel. Either one, satin nickel or white. It's up to you. But of course, there's difference in the prices as well. So the first site that we're gonna go on is Home Depot. All right, so for this particular unit, it's about $989. Okay. All right, so that's the price that you'll pay for the satin color, satin nickel color for this particular wash machine. $989. What else do they have on the Lowe's and the Home Depot website? For the white one, you're getting it for $899. So it depends on what your preference is. Cheaper the price if it's satin nickel or is it white. All right, so that's cool there. Also, again, you can always purchase extended warranties. You can also do payment plans if you like for 6 months. Is up to you. It's up to you if you want to do that type of stuff as well. But again, that's just the going rate for this particular appliance. You might be able to get it at a cheaper price, depending on, we always suggest going to scratch and dents and different stuff like that. Or just doing a little bit more research online. You never know. You'll be able to find something. All right. We go directly to GE. GE website is about $1,100 at the GE website. And this is for the satin. And then if you're looking at white, it doesn't really give me the option to go either one of the two. So the price is about $1,100. All right. So Lowe's, we have it about $1,100 as well, and that's for the satin nickel color. And then of course for the white, you're looking at $999. So the difference between the colors is $100. All right. So when you're looking at that, you want to make sure, if it's something that you want as well. And we also went into Best Buy. You're looking at $989. So it's about $1,000 for this particular washer. All right. So if you want to get that, it's up to you. Again, it's available. I know in my local area. From me looking up the information online, you also want to check that information as well when shopping for a particular appliance, because you never know, they might not have it. It might be on back order. So you want to make sure that you do your due diligence and you do your research as well. All right. So again, for this particular price, going rate is about $1,000. Okay, that's not bad for everything that it does. Okay, it's a decent price. All right. Of course, we'll do all the ratings and everything else, but this is the price video. It's me, your boy, Richie Rich. This GE pricing for the front load wash machine is about a stack. But again, you help me, I help you, we help each other. Till next time, it's me, your boy, Richie Rich, and I'm out.